Do you want to know how to do the perfect plank or mountain climber? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to give you my top secrets on how to do it perfectly coming up. Before I dive into these top tips today, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new workout video or trainer tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online health and fitness coach whose mission is to help you get fit so that you can live a healthy, happy, and confident life. And in this trainer video, I am going to be sharing my top tips on how to perform the perfect plank and mountain climber. This is one of the most foundational moves that you need to know in order to sculpt your abs, strengthen your core, and make sure that you are not doing it wrong. Because if you were doing it wrong, you're going to probably increase your risk of injury. You're probably not going to get the right muscles to work. So it's going to be important to learn the foundational elements of a perfect plank and mountain climber. Now, before I dive into this demo, make sure to check out my new 5-day jumpstart plan. This is something that is perfect for anyone who's starting their fitness journey. You're brand new to fitness and don't know where to start. I will be giving you an exact plan to follow for 4 weeks. Or if you're in a workout rut and you've been working out, but you just don't know what the perfect workout plan is to help you get results and to help you get off of that fitness plateau. So if that's something that you are feeling or experiencing, definitely check out the link in the description below. For a limited time, it's half off, so definitely take advantage of that. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Hey, what's up? It's Jenny J here, and today you are going to learn how to do the perfect plank and the perfect mountain climber. If you've ever been confused on how to do this correctly and want to know the top tips on how to do it from a personal trainer and group fitness instructor, then watch this video and you will learn exactly how to do it. So let's go ahead and get started in our plank position. So for a plank, the perfect form, you want to make sure that your shoulders are stacked directly on top of your elbows and your elbows stacked directly on top of your wrists. Your hands should be about shoulder distance apart, so nothing wider, nothing more narrow, shoulder distance. Now from here, you're simply going to step your foot back behind you and then step your foot back behind you. Now, it's not just holding this position without any engagement. So we need to make sure that our whole body is strong and sturdy so that we don't get any low back pain or any issues whatsoever. So let's talk about holding this plank. So as we hold this plank, we're going to start from our head all the way down to our toes. You want to make sure that your eyes are looking directly in between your hands. So you're not looking up, you're not looking to the side. You have this nice proper alignment of your vertebrae. So your eyes are looking down. From here, your shoulders are away from your ears. So you're not doing this. You're not rounding your spine. You're not piking those hips up. This is a nice straight line. Now from here, you want to think about squeezing your butt cheeks together, pressing your belly button into the spine, and then having a slight constriction or contraction in your inner thighs. It's almost as if you have like a block or a pillow in between your inner thighs and you're squeezing it together. So notice how much stronger your plank just got just by squeezing your booty and getting that to engage. Now let's go down to our knees. You want to think about lifting your kneecaps up. This is going to help you activate those quads, get those legs working as well. And then your feet are going to be about shoulder distance apart. Now, if you need an option, you can simply drop down to those knees, but make sure that those hips stay down. So this is a great beginner option if you can't hold your body up the entire time. Eventually, you'll be able to lift one leg up. This can be an option, and both legs up. Now, we just want to make sure that we avoid the most common mistakes. One of the most common mistakes here is lifting those hips up, believing that we're getting our core and we're working our abs when we're really not at all. So you want to press those knees or those hips down. Another common mistake is the very reverse. So the hips are sagging. Now, if your hips are sagging, you're going to have a lot of low back pain and a low back pressure. So you want to make sure that those hips stay up, squeeze the glutes, and this is going to make sure that your low back is supported. So if you feel any low back pain, squeeze the booty and then squeeze the quadriceps by lifting those kneecaps up. And then one last common mistake here is the hands are here, okay? And so now I'm in this like weird position where I'm not being fully supported and my hands might slip. So you want to make sure that your shoulders are directly on top of those wrists. All right, so that is how you do a perfect plank. To do a mountain climber, it's literally doing your perfect plank, but just driving those knees into the chest. So take a look. I'm in my perfect plank position. Nice straight line from head to heels. I'm going to drive one knee into my chest and then switch. Now I want to maintain my plank position the entire time. So as you're doing your mountain climbers, notice if you're starting to lose your plank form by lifting those hips up and then those shoulders coming back. So again, plank position is the foundation, and then keep that position as you drive those knees into the chest. So that is how you do a perfect plank and mountain climber. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching today. If you thought this video was helpful, please like and comment below and let me know which tip helped the most. As always, I post new live workouts every single day on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I go live. And if you want more workout videos or trainer tips, definitely check out this video here, and I will see you on the next one.